Hello, David Adler here. Here for exercise number 5 for CST 105 for Professor David Parker. Um, import java.io.star. You taught us that in class that it will just pull whatever um, import that we need and it'll put it in there if we use it. So let's get started. We use file input file and we tell it which one we're going to be using. And for that, this is exercise 5, input.in and results.out are right here. So it's going to be using input.in. It tells it where the file is, and it reads it as input data. That's what the buffered reader does. This tells the computer where the file is and outputs the data into results.out. String line, do while statement, it's gonna split it into words, split the word, and it's gonna take the word, it's gonna split it and make a brand new word. It's gonna comb through each word and move the letters around to encrypt them. It's going to do that, and then we have more an if statement here for word length less than 1, then plus 1 divided by 2. This writes the word and encrypts the word into one line, and we put the space here to make sure that they're spaced apart and they're not just word and string word together and mashed together, and then we close our inputs here. So let's run it. This is the input.in. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all. And this is our output. Running it again. And it works. That is all. Have a nice day.